So one thing to always watch out for when trading anything, but especially cryptocurrencies, is the fees that you pay to the exchanges. Okay, one of the reasons why Binance is as prominent and as popular as it is it has a really transparent fee system and also has one of the most competitive fee systems in the crypto world. Okay, you can actually find how much you've paid in fees by looking at your trade history. So you'll notice that in order to sell roughly $100 of cryptocurrency, it actually cost me less than 10 cents. And that is a standard 0.01% fee across the cryptocurrency space in terms of Binance. Okay, now you're in a fortunate position if you've opened your Binance account through this course, in that you'll also get a 10% rebate on your fees as well. Okay, so you actually get 10% of your fee refunded into your account from any trading that you do for life. Okay, so that's already going to knock a little bit more off of your fee amounts. Okay, if we look at the Bitcoin buy, it's actually priced in Bitcoin, so it's not as transparent. Okay, but I would always just look at the USDT fee, or if you want to, you can use the Satoshi value to work out roughly what you paid on your buys and on your sells. Okay, but that's a little bit more advanced. I would just be focusing on the 0.01 area and know that Binance basically has the best or the most competitive fee structure. Okay, now I'm going to show you a little less competitive fee structure now in the world of Binance. Okay, Binance obviously being competitive and Coinbase being less competitive. Now this trade that I just executed, remember I made around about $1. Okay, if I'd have done that same trade exactly the same using Coinbase, okay, which isn't really a fair comparison because you can't set buy and sell limits. It's all app based effectively on Coinbase, the actual app. I'm not talking about Coinbase Pro. Okay, I would have actually have lost money just because of the fees. I would have been charged £1.49. Okay, and yes, I know that this trade size isn't the same. Okay, I've only got a very small amount of crypto on Coinbase because of the fee situation. Okay, but effectively, if I just wanted to sell this out right now, I'd be paying 7.5%. Okay, so that is 750 times what I would actually be paying on Binance. Okay, Coinbase recently listed as one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, and that's because it's easy to use and convenience. People are viewing convenience over fees, and if you're going to be a professional investor, professional trader, you don't want convenience really. You want the cheapest solutions. You want the lowest fees. Effectively, you're prepared to find the lowest fees and exploit those lowest fees because you know you're going to make more profit in the long run. Okay, so you're not going to be using Coinbase to buy and sell frequently, and bear in mind this is on a buy and a sell. Okay, so it's effectively a 15% fee if you're looking at it overall, whereas on Binance that is a lot lower. Okay, this is why Binance is more popular and Coinbase is generally for the retail investor who just wants to get in and out of the market, and the market effectively wipes out those fees. Okay, because obviously someone's using Coinbase because obviously it is a listed company now and it has massive revenues behind it. Interestingly, if you want to look at the pricing structure of Coinbase, you can by looking on their websites. Okay, if you're in the UK, you're going to be paying a 4% fee just for doing an instant buy using a credit or debit card. Actual, debit cards only on this particular situation. But yeah, their fee structure is not competitive in the same way that Binance is. Okay, I'm not discrediting Coinbase. Okay, obviously, they have their reasons for setting their fees as they are, and they are really good at onboarding crypto. So if you don't have any other options, then you can just pay to have your fiat currency converted into cryptocurrency through Coinbase, and I'll admit I have done that in the past, but there are cheaper options out there, namely Binance and several other exchanges. So just keep an eye on your fees is basically what I am saying. And that includes exchanges as well. Okay, so in the exchange demo that I have done on this module, you'll have seen that I actually traded and exchanged my crypto for no fee whatsoever. In actual fact, I made a profit when I was exchanging. Rather than paying the $20 in transaction gas fees, I actually was able to make money by selecting another cryptocurrency and then funding that cryptocurrency through. Okay, the two cryptocurrencies are Ripple, okay, or Neo that I generally choose in order to facilitate exchange transfers. So by thinking about fees, you can actually save yourself a lot of money, a lot of capital that you can then deploy in the market at a later stage. Now, it should really help your crypto profitability in the long run to just think about fees first and exploit any opportunity you have in order to make sure that you don't pay extortionate or higher fees than you have to.